Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with some seriously effective hacks to help you look and feel your absolute best. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to elevate your everyday style, these tips are here to give you that extra boost of confidence. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a game changer, high-rise jeans. High-rise jeans are so much more flattering and they're super trendy right now. They sit at your natural waistline, which instantly makes your legs look miles long. Pair them with a cute crop top for a night out or a flowy blouse for a more relaxed vibe. When it comes to finding the perfect pair, make sure you choose a fit that hugs your curves in all the right places. So ditch those ill-fitting jeans and embrace the power of high-rise denim. Okay, let's talk about another wardrobe essential that can totally transform your look: V-neck tops. V-necks work wonders because they draw the eye downward, instantly elongating your neck and upper body. Plus, they help to break up the visual mass of your torso, which is always a good thing. From classic t-shirts to elegant blouses and even cozy sweaters, the options are endless. If you want to take the slimming effect to the next level, try layering a long necklace with your V-neck top. So ditch those high neck tops that can make you look boxy and embrace the power of the V-neck. Now let's talk about a fashion hack that's as chic as it is slimming: monochromatic outfits. The key to rocking a monochromatic look is to choose a single color and wear it from head to toe. Darker shades like black, navy, and burgundy tend to have the most slimming effect, but don't be afraid to experiment with brighter colors too. If you want to add some dimension to your monochromatic outfit, try playing with different textures. So ditch the mismatched outfits and embrace the power of monochrome. Let's talk about the power of a good jacket. A well-fitted jacket can be your secret weapon for creating a slimmer silhouette. When it comes to jackets, tailored is always the way to go. Look for jackets that cinch in at the waist and create a flattering hourglass shape. Cropped jackets are also great because they hit you at the waist, making your legs look longer. One of my favorite ways to style a tailored jacket is to layer it over a dress or a top and skirt combo. So, ditch the bulky jackets and embrace the power of tailoring. Let's talk about a small accessory that can make a big difference: belts. Belts are amazing for accentuating your waistline and creating a more defined shape. When you wear a belt, it draws attention to your waist and creates the illusion of an hourglass figure. When choosing a belt, opt for one that contrasts with your outfit to really make your waist stand out. One of my favorite ways to style a belt is to wear it with a dress or a top and skirt combo. So, ditch the shapeless outfits and embrace the power of belts. Let's talk about pants that are super flattering, especially if you want to balance out wider hips, flares, and bootcut pants. Flares and bootcut pants are wider at the bottom, which helps to balance out the hips and create the illusion of an hourglass figure. When styling flares or bootcut pants, it's important to keep the top fitted. Tucking in your top or choosing a cropped style can really enhance this effect. One of my favorite ways to style flares is with a tucked-in blouse and a statement belt. So, ditch those skinny jeans for a day and embrace the flattering power of flares and bootcut pants. Now, let's talk about a common fashion mistake that can actually make you look bigger: wearing too much volume around the waist. This is a trap many fall into, thinking that loose clothing will hide their imperfections. However, it often has the opposite effect. When you wear clothes that are too loose and baggy around the waist, it just adds unnecessary bulk and makes you look shapeless. The excess fabric creates an illusion of a larger frame, which is not what most people are aiming for. The key to looking slimmer is to choose clothes that skim over your body rather than clinging to it or swallowing you whole. Clothes that follow the natural lines of your body can create a more streamlined and flattering silhouette. Instead of oversized shirts tucked into pants, opt for fitted tops paired with high-waisted trousers. High-waisted trousers can elongate your legs and create a balanced look, making you appear taller and leaner. If you're wearing a looser-fitting top, pair it with something more fitted on the bottom, like skinny jeans or a pencil skirt. This combination helps to balance your proportions and ensures that your outfit looks intentional and stylish. So, ditch the baggy clothes and embrace the power of well-fitted pieces that accentuate your curves in the right places. Well-fitted clothes can boost your confidence and make you feel more put together. Remember, it's not about hiding your body, but celebrating it in a way that makes you feel your best. Tailored blazers, dresses that fit well, and outfits that highlight your best features can make a world of difference. It's all about finding the right balance and proportions that work for your body type. Don't forget the power of accessories. A well-placed belt can define your waist and add structure to a loose dress. Accessories can be your best friend in creating a polished and cohesive look. Experiment with different styles and fits to find what works best for you. Fashion is a personal journey, and what looks good on one person might not work for another. The key is to find pieces that make you feel comfortable and confident. Ultimately, the goal is to feel good in what you wear. When you feel good, it shows. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear, and well-fitted clothes can help you achieve that. So remember, less is more. Choose pieces that fit well, highlight your best features, and make you feel amazing. Your wardrobe should be a reflection of your best self. Let's talk about the power of a good pair of shoes. Shoes are more than just a fashion statement. They can transform your entire look and even affect how you feel about yourself. The right pair of shoes can boost your confidence, enhance your outfit, and even change the way you walk. You might not think that shoes can make a huge difference in how slim you look, but they really can. The right pair of shoes can create a visual illusion that can make your legs look longer and leaner. This is especially true when it comes to pointed toe shoes. And when it comes to creating the illusion of longer, leaner legs, pointed toe shoes are your secret weapon. These shoes have a unique design that draws the eye downward, creating a continuous line that elongates your legs. Whether you're wearing jeans, a skirt, or a dress, pointed toe shoes can make a significant difference. Pointed toe shoes have this magical ability to elongate your legs, making you look taller and slimmer overall. The pointed tip of the shoe extends the line of your leg, giving the illusion of added height. This effect is even more pronounced when you choose shoes in a nude or skin tone color, as they blend seamlessly with your legs. The pointed toe draws the eye downward, creating a continuous line from your hips to your toes. From classic pumps to chic stilettos and even trendy ankle boots, the options are endless. You can find pointed toe shoes in a variety of styles, colors, and materials, making it easy to find a pair that suits your personal style. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or just want to add a touch of elegance to your everyday look, pointed toe shoes are a versatile choice. They can be paired with almost any outfit, from casual jeans to formal dresses, and they always add a touch of sophistication. So, ditch those rounded toe shoes that can make your legs look shorter and opt for pointed toe shoes instead. Rounded toe shoes can cut off the line of your leg, making you appear shorter and less streamlined. By choosing pointed toe shoes, you can enhance your natural shape and create a more flattering silhouette. Embrace the leg-lengthening power of pointed toe shoes. Not only will they make you look taller and slimmer, but they'll also give you a boost of confidence. So next time you're shopping for shoes, remember the power of the pointed toe and make a choice that will elevate your style and your confidence. Now let's talk about prints. Prints can be a lot of fun and a great way to add personality to your wardrobe. But when it comes to looking slimmer, it's best to keep prints minimal and strategic. Large, bold prints can sometimes overwhelm a smaller frame and actually make you look bigger than you are. Instead of covering yourself in head-to-toe prints, try incorporating just one printed piece into your outfit. And when it comes to choosing prints, opt for smaller, more delicate patterns that won't overpower your frame. So, ditch the overwhelming prints and embrace the power of minimalism and strategic print placement. Let's talk about shapewear. You might have heard mixed opinions about it, but today we're going to dive deep into why it can be a game changer for your wardrobe and your self-esteem. I know, shapewear sometimes gets a bad rap, but trust me, it can be your secret weapon for creating a smooth, sleek silhouette and boosting your confidence. Imagine slipping into that dress or those pants and feeling like everything is perfectly in place. That's the magic of shapewear. Shapewear works by smoothing out any lumps and bumps, creating a more streamlined look under your clothes. It's like having a personal stylist who ensures you look your best from every angle. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or just want to feel more put together on a daily basis, shapewear can be your go-to solution. It can help to slim down your tummy, lift your butt, and even enhance your curves. Think of it as a little boost that highlights your natural shape, giving you that extra bit of confidence to strut your stuff, and even enhance your curves. The right shapewear can make you feel like the best version of yourself, accentuating your assets and giving you a silhouette that makes you feel unstoppable. And the best part is that shapewear is completely invisible under your clothes, so no one will ever know you're wearing it. Modern shapewear is designed to be seamless and comfortable, so you can wear it all day without any discomfort. It's like a little secret that only you know, giving you the confidence to take on the world. If you're new to shapewear, start with something simple, like a high-waisted control brief or a shaping camisole. These pieces are easy to wear and can make a big difference in how your clothes fit and feel. As you get more comfortable, you can explore different styles and find what works best for you. So ditch the fear of shapewear and embrace its confidence-boosting powers. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, but about enhancing what you already have. With the right shapewear, you can feel more confident, more comfortable, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. So go ahead, give it a try, and discover the secret weapon that can transform not just your look, but your entire outlook. And there you have it, my loves. Those are my top fashion hacks to help you look and feel slimmer. The most important thing is to wear what makes you feel good. When you feel good, you radiate confidence, and that's the most beautiful thing of all. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay fabulous.